Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Amrinder Singh, and today we are gonna learn Punjabi word G. So, how you can use this word in 5 situations? I think most of you guys only know one situation. Basically, when we put respect to somebody, like if it's your teacher, in Punjabi we call them master, master G, all right. If it's your uncle, whatever, mama ji, uncle ji, stuff like that, or maybe stranger, instead of saying han, you just say like a hanji, stuff like that. So I think this situation everybody knows, all right. And in second situation we use this word g when we wanna keep things very casual and we don't wanna pay attention too much on that thing. Like if I give you example and you meet me in the street and maybe you are trying to find your friend's house and you told me the name of your friend. So now maybe I know the house of your friends. I'm gonna say like there's it in Punjabi I say ho si car ji kole. Ho jithe car ji khadi a. Alright. Car ji kole means near to car. O jithe car ji khadi a. It means where this car is located or just standing there anyway. Now probably I don't need to put G in this situation. Like I could say just oh jithe car khadi hai, right? But most of Punjabi native people, that's how they say oh jithe car ji khadi hai. ठीक है oh jithe car ji khadi hai. Now we only use this word G for feminine words, not for masculine words. For example, if there would be a motorcycle, and motorcycle is a masculine word, right? Then I would say, oh, jithe motorcycle ja khada ga. Motorcycle ja. I would say ja that time, all right? So, yeah, in this case, if masculine, we will say ja. And if it is feminine word, then we would say G, all right? And if there's a plural, then we say J, like ਕੱਲ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਬੜਾ ਘੈਂਟ ਕੁੱਤਾ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਸੜਕ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਘਰ ਜੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ alright. So it means yesterday I saw like a really good or really fantastic dog where those houses are or those houses are located at the road, alright. ਘਰ ਜੇ ਕੱਲ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਬੜਾ ਘੈਂਟ ਕੁੱਤਾ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਘਰ ਜੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ alright. So basically in this case I'm talking to somebody and he also know that place where those houses are located whatever on the road, and in this case I would say like that, like yesterday I saw like a really good dog, maybe it could be a stray dog whatever, and jithe oh ਘਰ ਜੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ, like where those houses are, all right, ਘਰ ਜੇ. And for female plural I would use I think jੀਆਂ. Again, maybe you're asking me to some kind of way where you wanna arrive, and I can tell you, okay, ਉਹ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਾਰਾਂ ਜੀਆਂ ਖੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਵਗ ਜਾ, ਉਹ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਾਰਾਂ ਜੀਆਂ ਖੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਵਗ ਜਾ. It means like whatever the place you are asking to me, you can go there where are those cars are. So basically your arriving point is right there, all right. Karan jiyaan. So female plural jiyaan. Masculine or mixed plural, then it's going to be J. All right, it's going to be J. And for masculine singular, it's going to be J, not J, ja. And feminine plural is going to be G. All right. Now you don't need to put these things if you don't want it. It should be automatic when you, if you have a lot of conversation with a native speaker, maybe it's going to be automatic in your mind, but I don't think you should try to do it. But it's gonna be really good for your listening. Probably like if somebody say, oh jithe car ji khadi hai, right? Maybe you can think that person is putting a respect on car, something like that. No, not like that. Basically, when we say, oh jithe car ji khadi hai, we are here just pointing that car on your place you want to go, right? So we made it not that specific. Yeah, it is still a little bit specific because it indicates your like a place where you wanna go, but it shows like your destination is not the car, it's just indicating you. All right, so in that kind of situation we use like a j, ja, jinya, stuff like that. All right, but you don't need to use it. We can just say like oh jithe car khadi hai, but mostly like I said we use these kind of words. All right, so now third way of using this word g, like if I give example, and if I visit your hometown, whatever, and we are having a fun, whatever we are enjoying, that time you can ask me, "Kyaun tera ji lag gaya?" It means like how to say in English. Basically, it means you are asking me like, are you feeling good here, right? Ji lag gaya. If I'm feeling good, I'm enjoying it, I will say haan ji lag gaya or haan lag gaya. But like if I'm not feeling, maybe I'm bored there, whatever, I will say na ji nahi lagya, na lagya nahi. All right, mera ji nahi lagya. Yeah, sometimes people like especially when we were kids, we visit our relatives home. Sometimes if we enjoy there, we say mera ithe ji lag gaya ga. If we don't enjoy there, we can say ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਪਿੰਡ ਜਾਣਾ ਗਾ, ਮੇਰਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ. Basically I wanna go home, I wanna go my village because I'm bored here, whatever, right? So in third case, that's how we use G, right? G means also how you are feeling. If your G is lagya, J soda G lagda somewhere else, it means yeah you enjoy that place or you like that place, whatever. But J soda G uਥੇ nahi lagda, right? It means you are bored there, you don't like that place. All right. So this is it. Keep in mind the G word only doesn't mean we are putting the respect. Alright? So we use it three ways like I described. There's also another way when we use the word G. So in this case, we use the word G for family members. Probably you heard a few times. Like sometimes people ask like ਤੁਸੀਂ ਘਰੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਜੀ ਹੋ, right? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਘਰੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਜੀ ਹੋ? It means he was asking like how many family members do you have? And sometimes maybe people ask like ਤੁਸੀਂ ਘਰੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਜਾਣੇ ਹੋ? But I think most of the time people ask like ਜੀ ਹੋ. And this word G only used for like when you ask for family members at your home. You can't say like a party te kinne ji si. All right, you can't say that. Then if you want to say like how many people were at the party, then you would say party te kinne jane si. All right, and you can't say that like party te kinne ji si because G means your family members. All right, so it means people use this word G like ਤੁਸੀਂ ਘਰੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਜੀ ਹੋ. All right, how many family members or how many people uh, at your home. All right, so yeah, that's the fourth way we use this word. So fifth way is we also use for living things, animals, birds, stuff like that. So, we say like a rabdaji, right? It means could be a guard creature, a guard's life, whatever. So mostly we use like sometimes I remember like people mostly they say to kids like if the kids is beating a dog or maybe trying to hit a dog, mostly people say na marna ਇਹ ਵੀ ਰੱਬ ਦਾ ਜੀ ਆ, na marna ਇਹ ਵੀ ਰੱਬ ਦਾ ਜੀ ਆ. So it means like this is also God's life, don't hit, man, don't hit that animal. That's what it means. So mostly in this case, when we use for animals or living things, we keep rub with that. All right, it's not gonna be alone G. So mostly people use G with the rub da G. All right. In this case, it means God's animal or God's life, whatever, all right, or God's bird, whatever. So this is the fifth way of using it. So if you know to use this word another way, the sixth way, then just let me know. Maybe it's not in my mind. Maybe this is the sixth way to use this word, which is Punjabi word G. If you know, then just let me know. So at the end, if you think you are getting the value from this channel and you wanna support it, then you can support it through Patreon. Link is in the description. By the way, if you have a hard time to understand Punjabi pronouns like passive pronouns, active pronouns, and possessive pronouns, then you can get my free ebook. Link is in the description. So at the end, I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new today. I'll be back with another lesson in another day.